Do you know urban design and its applications? Do you know how many disciplines are involved in art of placemaking? Urban design, or in another word, the art of placemaking, is a multidisciplinary task that needs collaboration platform from many different disciplines such as architects, planners, engineers, economists, environmentalists, sociologists, and so on. That's how places between masses and buildings become a livable space. That's what you may call a vibrant neighbourhood or barrio. City Information Model Startup Project is about a platform of connections, blocks, territories, peoples and situations.
Hi, I'm Borja Iglesias. I'm an architect, an urban planner and PhD candidate at UPC Barcelona Tech. I'm co-founder of Network for Strengthening the Informal City.
Hello, I'm Mohsen. I'm an architect, urban designer, and also a PhD candidate at Polytechnic University of Catalonia. Since October 2013, I found a startup project in Barcelona with a couple of my friends from university. This project called Simulation and Building Information Model, supervised by Barcelona Activa.
My name is Francisco Contreras. I'm a Chilean architect and BIM expert. That means I create and use computer information models to optimize the building process.
Our proposal is about providing a collaboration platform between all professionals in the field of architecture and planning industry. It's a startup project called City Information Model.
We provide two City Information Model startup projects of a global vision about social, institutional, environmental and financial interactions that happens in the global emerging cities.
The gap between architecture and urban planning can be filled by this application that combines BIM and GIS model into a BIM cloud server accessible by everyone.
Right now in Chile, there's a recent civic organization movement. Everyone wants to participate and create a better city. And then we can use Chile as a platform for all emerging countries in Latin America.
I think that City Information Model Startup Project can accelerate participation processes in decision-making between civil society and public-private sector to resolve daily challenges and conflicts.
This platform can be accessible by public from an online application, not just to professionals like architects and planners, also to normal people that they need to have information about their cities. It also can be a tool of urban management in hands of public administration.
In Age of Information Technology, the I inside BIM and GIS technology is the main necessity of architecture and planning industry, where it has a big role in sustainable development. CIMSP aims to advance a methodological approach to combine these information models to address the geospatial necessities of urban developments from geomatics to architectural scales and vice versa.